Coming onto your mat, take 1 foot distance from the top of your mat and stand in Samastithi. Samastithi equal standing posture, also known as Tadasana or mountain pose. Samastithi is known as the base of all standing posture. So from this position, we can perform forward bending asana, backward bending asana, twisting asana, and other type of asanas. To stand in Samastithi, you have to join your feet together. Make sure your big toes comes in one line. So don't put your toes unevenly. Feet together, big toes in one line, and press the 3 corners of your feet. The 3 corners are, first one, the mount of your big toe, the mount of your pinky toe, and third one is your heel. So you have to press these 3 corners when you are standing in Samastithi. Feet together, lifting your toes up, spread your toes nicely, press the corners of your feet and slowly bring your toes down without creating pressure on your toes, without clenching your toes. If you feel that your ankle is rubbing with each other, then you can slightly separate your heel. Press the 3 corners of your feet and distribute your weight 50-50 on both of your feet. Now engage your calf muscle, tighten your kneecap and pull it up, rolling your thighs in. So there is inward rotation of your thighs. I'll show you. See, now press the 3 corners of your feet and rolling your thighs in. So your thighs is rolling in. Tuck your tailbone in and down. So here, when you tuck your tailbone in and roll it down, your buttocks is rolling down and your pubic bone is going up. Abdomen is going in. Okay, so this is the position we want in Samastithi. Do not push your hips back and drop your abdomen while standing in Samastithi. Tuck your tailbone in and roll it down, lifting your pubic bone up, abdomen in. So when you're performing this, rolling your buttocks down, your thighs automatically popping in. So try to push your thighs back. Scoop your buttocks, lifting your pubic bone up, abdomen in. Elongate the side of the trunk, lifting your chest up, open your heart center, rolling your shoulders back and down, and extend your arms down, fingers sharply pointed down towards the floor, like someone is pulling you from the ground. Chin parallel to the floor. Dristi on your nose tip. So this is the position of Samastithi. Inhale and exhale. Join your both palms in front of your chest in Namaste Mudra. Make sure don't bring your fingertips in front of your chin, in front of your throat. Try to bring your fingers in front of your chest and your thumb is touching with your heart center. Dropping your elbows a little bit down, rolling your shoulder back, open your heart center, and this is your pranamasana. Dristi at your nose tip. Look at your nose tip or look at your eye level. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Inhale. First, extend your arms and lifting your arms up with inhalation in Hasta uttanasana. So when you are lifting your arms up, try not to lift your shoulders up. Don't bring your upper arms closer to your ear. Relax your shoulders, your arms parallel with each other, palms facing with each other, and fingers sharply pointed up. Now from here we are going a little bit back. So first you have to push your buttocks forward, elongate the side of your trunk, and lifting your chest up. Now when we are leaning back, we have to exhale. And inhale, come up, Dristi at your eye level, and exhale, going into Padhastasana, hand to feet pose. Slightly micro bend your knee, lean forward, straighten your spine, extend your both arms, and bring your hands down beside your feet or in front of your feet. If you are not able to reach your hands down, you can make your fingers in cup shape. Straighten your spine, your abdomen is touching on your thighs. If you are a beginner, then you can perform this. Or if you want a little bit more challenging, then you can straighten your leg, extending your spine, and don't push your hips back. Try to lean a little bit forward. Bring your buttock and your ankle in one line in Padhastasana. Dristi at your nose tip. Now inhale, step your right leg back. Drop your knee down, pointing your toes back. Pressing your buttocks down, bring your front leg at 90-degree angle. So your ankle and your knee comes in one line. And try not to push your knee out. Your knee is pointing forward. Pressing your buttocks down, lifting your chest up, fingers in cup shape, Dristi at your third eye. Look between your eyebrows. In Ashwasanchalanasana. Now tuck your toe in, lifting your back leg knee up, pressing your palms down, and bring your left leg back in mountain pose, Parvatasana. Feet together. You can bend your knee and pressing your chest back towards your knee, resting your abdomen on your thigh. Straighten your spine, bring your head between your upper arms, pressing your palms firmly down on your mat. With exhalation, Dristi on your big toes or at your eye level. If you want a little bit more challenging, then you can straighten your leg, dropping your heels down, lifting your buttocks up towards the ceiling, elongate the side of your trunk, lifting your armpit up towards your buttocks, rolling your shoulders out, create space between your shoulder and your ear, head between your upper arms, Dristi at your eye level in Parvatasana. Now inhale, lean forward, coming into plank pose. First drop your knees down, and with exhalation, drop your chest and chin on the ground. Chest between your palms and your elbows is touching with your ribs and pointing up towards the ceiling. Don't drop your shoulders, lift your shoulders up and roll it back. Dristi on your third eye, between your eyebrows. Now inhale, tuck your toes back, slide forward, resting your abdomen and your thighs down. Press the floor with your palms, lifting your chest up and rolling your shoulders back. Open your heart center, feet together in Bhujangasana. Look forward at your eye level or look up between your eyebrows. So if you are not able to perform this asana, then you can drop your elbows down, placing your forearms down on your mat. Press the floor and lift your chest up. So you can perform this option with inhalation. Now exhale, tuck your toes in, lifting your abdomen up, buttocks up, and push your buttocks back. Pressing your toes, lifting your knees up, coming into Parvatasana, mountain pose, or you can straighten your leg with exhalation. Again, Dristi at your eye level, head between your upper arms, rolling your shoulders out and elevating your shoulders, lifting your armpit up towards your buttocks. Inhale, step your right leg forward, dropping your back leg knee on the ground, toes pointing back. Press your buttocks down, lifting your chest up, front leg at 90 in Ashtang Sanchalanasana. Look at your eye level. Exhale, take your back leg toe in, lifting your knee up, straighten your front leg knee, bending your back leg knee a little bit, and step your left leg forward in Padhastasana. Dristi at your eye level or at your nose tip. Slightly micro bend your knee, straighten your spine, straighten your arms. Coming at the 90-degree angle, bring your chest parallel to the floor. Inhale, come up into Hasta Uttanasana. Slightly back bend with exhalation. Inhale, come up. Exhale, Pranamasana, Samastithi. Now complete the round with left side. Stand in Samastithi. Tuck your tailbone in and down, abdomen in. Elongate the side of the trunk, lifting your chest up, rolling your shoulders back, extending your arms, fingers sharply pointed down, chin parallel to the floor, and look at your eye level. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, join your both palms in front of your chest in Pranamasana. Inhale, raise your both arms up in Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, little bit back bend. Inhale, come up. Exhale, foot forward into Padhastasana. Straighten your spine. Look at your eye level. Inhale, step your left leg back in Ashtang Sanchalanasana. Toes pointing back, knee on the floor. Pressing your buttocks down, front leg at 90, lifting your chest up, Dristi on your third eye, between your eyebrows. Exhale, tuck your toe in, lifting your back leg knee up. Step your right leg back in mountain pose. Parvatasana. Feet together. Push your knees and thighs back, lifting your buttocks up. Elongate your spine, rolling your shoulders out, and pulling your armpit up towards your buttocks. Head between your upper arms, look at your eye level. Inhale, lean forward. First, drop your knees down. Exhale, chest between your palms, chin on the floor in Ashtang namaskar. Dristi on your third eye. Inhale, feet flat, slide forward, rolling your shoulders back, your heart center in Bhujangasana. Dristi on your third eye or at your eye level. Exhale, tuck your toe in, lifting your buttocks up, coming into mountain pose. Parvatasana. Inhale, step your left leg forward, back leg knee on the ground, toes pointing back. Press your buttocks down, front leg at 90, lifting your chest up. Look at your eye level or third eye, Dristi on your third eye. Exhale, tuck your back leg toe in, lifting your knee up, straighten your front leg, bend your back leg knee and bring your right leg forward in Padhastasana. Inhale, micro bend your knee, straighten your spine, bring your arms beside your ear. Inhale, come up into Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, bit back bend. Inhale, come up. Exhale, Pranamasana and Samastithi.